Well, a very warm welcome to Clacton Pier on this quite blustery bank holiday Saturday in May. Yeah, been here a couple of hours waiting for the Interpark Stella's Revenge. It looks like it's now operational and working. So yeah, Clacton Pier here in Essex. So I'm going to have a little walk around, do a few bits, get a few bits and bobs for the channel. But that's the Miami ride, really impressed with that. So yeah, my first Interpark. So very similar to the one at Weston-super-Mare. Say acquired by Pinfari. Well, yeah, 2007. But yeah, looking forward to my first ride on an Interpark coaster. Try and get a POV. I've got a POV on the well, what I used to call the Flying Arts paratrooper here. Yeah, at last, my first Interpark coaster credit. So I didn't manage to get on the one at Weston-super-Mare because it broke down on me, but yeah, so this used to be Viper down at Barry Island. Before coming here in 2011 as Stella's Revenge and brakes. So also you've got a little wisdom ride go gator here as well. Are you ready? So this used to be indoors, this was indoors last season. Did a bit of off-riding in Miami, did really enjoy that. Airtime machine. Yeah, and it's not complete without a sonacase twister ride either. So not most of the intense twister I've ever been on, but you know. Yeah, down at the paratrooper, or what I used to know in my heyday as the Flying Arts. So many years ago I did one of these last. God, you're going to be talking 25 years, something like that. Got a POV on the ride anyway, and obviously a POV down on Stella's Revenge as well. So, but yeah, I mean this pier opened in 1871, so a long time ago. We've got the Waltzer right in front there as well, and used to have some really intense rides here back in the day, including a Vekoma MK 1200 Whirlwind. I didn't actually know that until this morning, but yeah, but it's still alright. It's typical seaside pier really, just a few sort of off-thrill rides if you like. And yeah, the wristbands, by the way, were £12 saver. They're booked online before the day of your visit, or £15 on the day. And also, I'll try and get them in very quickly. The go-karts, if you want them included, they are £20 for the wristbands. And you also get the adventure golf as well. So, well, this is the go-karts. They don't look like they're actually working. All covered up. As I said, for the wristband, it is £20 to include these two rides on these. So I've gone for the saver today, £12. Not really bothered about the go-karts. Right, wrapping things up down at Stella's Revenge then. As I said, the Interpark roller coaster. Keep saying, wanted to say Pinfora. Of course, Interpark acquired them in 2007, as I said earlier. Anyway, that's Clacton Pier. Say 3 roller coaster credits on here. So you've got the DBB ride behind as well. And also, just to mention, you've also got Britannia Park, which is so that's the little crazy mouse DBV. You've also got Britannia Park. There's a little mine train coaster credit on there. I'm not going to film anything down there. It's pretty pointless, really. But if you want your credits, there's another one there. £2 for 4 tokens if you want to do that. So anyway, I don't know where I'm going to be next week. Be a surprise. Anyway, thank you for watching. And from Clacton Pier, number 1 North Sea, it is 2 for now. And I will see you at my next location, wherever that is. Take it easy.